Okay guys, today we will discuss about Nature Week, which is the best activity for the week.
Uh, I will start the discussion about organize a recycling day. The advantage of recycling day, we can protect the environment. For example, we can protect ecosystem and our country from waste material. Second, we can save energy. For example, reduce energy making product, and we can reuse product that has good condition. Next, we can give education to students. By recycling can give education to new generation to keep our country clean. The last one is recycling can make money. We can make money by sold out our product to recycling center, and we can get the money. Uh, Candidate B.
Okay, I'm Muhammad Fazli Iman bin Muhammad Izani. My title is organize the camping in a trip to a forest reserve. Okay, a common misconception about camping is that you need to be outdoor or a nature fanatic in order to enjoy your time. On the contrary, camping is a great way to disconnect and spend time with friends and family, all while enjoying a bit nature. Now that fall is here and temperatures are cooling, consider planning a camping trip with a few friends to get out and enjoy the season. Okay, first decide the ideal campsite. Important to remember when deciding on where to camp. The different types of campsites, each with their own pros and cons. Okay, I'm create the list of bare minimums based on the average camping trip below, but make sure to check the weather and the conditions of your campsite so there are no surprise. Okay, packing list is a sleeping bag, small knife, day pack, headlamps or flashlight, water, swim gear, snackings or hiking boots. Okay, that's all.
uh, I am candidate B. Want to give my opinion about the best activity we should do for the nature week. In my the best activity is organize a trip to the national park, where is the scare place where a country, nature and cultural treasure are protect into poverty. Besides that, what most people don't know is the extensive conservation work that goes into this park, and every park to keep them not only beautiful but trying ecology heaven, which play a vital role in our country health. Visit a national park is good good for health and have a great day. National park offer the chance to you to be active if you take advantage of many activities like hiking, walking, swimming and other activities, and active travel opportunity that are available. Okay, what about candidate A?
I am candidate A. If your club would like to organize a tree planting project, here are some guidelines to consider. Where will you plant trees? If your club is lucky enough to own its one clubhouse with some land attached, there may be a place for a special tree. If one of your member own land to know someone local who own land, that might be a place where new tree would be welcome. If you organize a private tree planting project, you will need to raise funds to purchase the tree. a specimen, tree will be more expense. And you may want to work with a nursery which will transport the tree and do the actual planting. So you will simple arrange a celebration.
Best Based of the discussion, which one is the best activity of the nature week?
Candidate D ya.
I think organize a recycling day is a best activities we can do at Nature Week. First, we can protect the environment. For example, we can protect ecosystem and our country from waste material. And next, we can save an energy. For example, reduce energy making product, and we can reuse product that has good condition. That's all.